I want to take you on a magical mystery tour. I want to do that. Yes, that's what I want to do.
Okay.
And the only way to do that is to listen to the Beatles, because that's one of the awesome Beatles songs.
How do I do that?
You can do it at the Harris Center coming up on the 25th and 26th of this month. And it's my pleasure to introduce Paul McCartney.
Well,
it's not really Paul McCartney. For a couple hours a night, it's Paul McCartney. There he is. There it is. This is great.
Good morning, guys.
Good to see you, man. How are you?
Good. Thanks for having me.
All right, we're thrilled to have you. Obviously, big Beatles fan. Who isn't a big Beatles fan these days? This is a tour that I know you're on the second leg, as you're saying now. Give us an idea of what this tribute tour called Rain is all about.
Well, it's a completely immersive Beatles experience. Not only the Beatles catalog, but I mean, it really just pulls you into such an impactful decade, the 60s. So I mean, it starts everything from America's first impression of the Four Lads on the Ed Sullivan Show, through all their iconic albums and live performances to the end of their career.
That's fantastic.
So we're talking about how iconic they are, and they are. How can you get to that level to perform these songs with this iconic band and believe that you're actually doing this? And you put a lot of work into it.
It's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, I guess it starts from a place of love. I mean, you really just gotta love the Beatles to begin with, and it never felt like work, because every time I learned a new piece of their art, I felt like I was getting to know them just a little bit more. And when we perform this music, it feels like we're just sharing that same love of the Beatles with the audience, because we're really no different. We're just super fans to begin with.
I love that. And I'm assuming maybe a couple questions. You've been playing music your entire life. Why not Ringo? Why weren't you Ringo instead?
Why were you not drumming?
Oh boy, it's funny. I was actually initially a drummer as a young buck, but just Paul. I guess it comes with the name, but Paul just called out. Not to mention my father was the original Paul surrogate for the group, so he's the musical director now, and it was kind of fate to fill his boots.
I would say so.
Yeah, for sure. Do you play lefty also?
I do. Yeah,
nice.
that was part of the criteria, and it helps the aesthetic, and it really helps get into the character to be facing in the right direction as Sir Paul.
Wow. Sir Paul. What's one of your favorite numbers when you're out there, you're singing? Oh, yours, and then also the crowd, that the crowd really goes wild. I'm assuming the crowd probably just sings along to every song.
Sure. I mean, nothing gets past our fans, and throughout the night, boy, we play over 40 of their hits.
Wow. So
to me, a favorite, it really depends on the night. It depends on the hour, the minute, the second, because they wrote a song for every mood, every feeling. So I noticed the audience really gravitates to something like Twist and Shout. It's a moment to really just kind of break from your seat and get up and dance and feel like you were at Shea Stadium again.
Yeah.
Otherwise, for me, really, I can't pinpoint one. It shifts.
It shifts from, I bet, show to show, day to day. You have a favorite Beatles song?
Yeah, I mean, I love Magical Mystery Tour. That's good. I mean, I'm trying to think of them all right now in my head. It's weird because there's so many. There's so many, right? And then I love that one. I love that one. Oh my goodness.
There's the flyer featuring Sgt. Pepper and Magical Mystery Tour. That's so good. The iconic.
Sgt. Pepper's Lonely Heart Club Band.
That's right. Mm-hmm. It's just iconic. I mean, everything. What a cool opportunity for you to be involved with that, man.
It really is. Thank you.
Well, all right, we're going to get out there and get our tickets. You got to go check it out. Scott, are you going to go?
I'm in.
We got to try to do this. I mean, there's just so many great songs, and I guarantee you, if you do go, you will be singing them all, like Scott is right now.
I am.
I wish the camera was on you just then, right there, too.
Paul, great job, man. Knock it out of the park this April 25th and 26th, 2:30 and 7:30. You got 2 chances for shows on both those days at the Harris Center. Beautiful spot. harriscenter.net for tickets and more information.
We are the Beatles. We'll be right back. Don't go away.